Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the 16th cohort 2021 All India Bar Examination, which is going to be held on 31st October 2021. Yes, anyone can unmute and read what I put on the screen so that I could directly go to my class. Yes.
Sir, good evening, sir. Mind is not a dustbin to keep anger, hatred, and jealousy, but it is a treasure box to keep love, happiness, and sweet memories. Good
Yes.
afternoon, Professor
Yes.
Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain.
Yes, the mind you have to keep. Don't keep it as a dustbin. Then you keep them as an anger and hatred and the other things which I mentioned here. But the point here is jealousy. Also, you have to throw it, but is a treasure box to keep only the love, happiness, and the sweet memories. So that's the thing that you have to keep it. Now, directly, I'm going to come to the last start. There is already a bar examination, 16th cohort, 2021, which goes with the including compensation under the Motor Vehicle Act as well as the Consumer Protection Act, because the bandwidth will be less. That's why I would like to close the video. Okay, the law of tort. Number one, match the profounders or exponents of the tort law names in part one with their definitions in part two. So, sir, here are given the Sir John Salmond, Percy Henry Wimfield, Fraser, Sir Frederick Pollock, and their definitions are given over here. Tort is an act or omission, not merely the breach of a duty arising out of the personal relations or undertaken by the contract which is related to harm suffered by the determinate person giving rise to a civil remedy which is not an action of contract. That's the second is tort is an infringement of the right in rem. That is the right in general for a private individual giving a right of compensation at the suit of the injured party. The tort is a civil wrong for the which remedy is in a common law action for unliquidated damages, which is not exclusively the breach of contract or the breach of trust or other merely equitable obligation. The last one is tortious liability arises from the breach of a duty primarily fixed by law. This duty is towards the person generally, and its breach is redressable by an action for the unliquidated damages. So now one should have to keep in a memory and who said and what they said and how they defined, which I gave and I read it. Before I could read end of it, that he will be in a position to give the answer to me. 1C2D3B4A, 1D2C3B4A, 1C2D3A4B, and 1C2D3A4B. Which is the right answer?
Sir, B, sir.
Second option.
Sir, C, sir, C.
Third option.
A, sir, A.
It is a because you are supposed to know the definition of it. You have to use the deductive method. When the Winfield says, Winfield will not say liability of tort, they say tortious liability. And when Salmond says, Salmond begin with the civil wrong, and Winfield begin with the tortious liability. And Fraser, tort is an infringement. So infringement comes, then you should see the Fraser definition. So you have to develop your own mechanism to remember the thing, who said what. And Pollock said tort is an act or omission. Then you have to develop such a mechanism where you could remember that this man said this thing. Then only you should understand it. So, sir, how could we remember it, sir? Read, and read. Triple R. Okay. The second question is, which tort explanation or definition is mismatched? Tort is derived from the Latin tortum, meaning something twisted, wrong or crooked. B. German regarding tort, for example, talk of unlawful act. And the for French, C. Inspired system use interchangeably the term delicts and quasi-delicts. And the D. Western European and common law system tend to regard as excusable the same factual situation. Sir, we read the feedback, we know the answer. Yeah. Okay, that is a Western Europe common law system. There I read tend to regard as an actionable, but I wrote excusable. It's an actionable, the same factual situation. So D is the right answer for that regard. Okay, third one. Which one is not essential characteristic of a tort? R. A. Wrongful act or inaction. B. Proximate cause. C. Legal damage. D. Legal remedy. You are not supposed to take that much time.
Yes,
It's an
sir.
easy question. Repeat.
C, sir.
Second
Sir,
option.
B, sir. B.
B, sir.
Proximity clause.
Proximate cause is not there because very rare cases that we will use the proximate cause, and other cases we don't use it at all. Okay, let us come to the fourth one is people who commits an intentional tort may plead that they had not a valid defense, such as I say they had not a valid defense. Victim's consent or self-defense. B, defense of property. C, mistake of law. D, necessity or lawful authority. You are not supposed to take this much time.
Sir, it's C. D, sir.
Second option.
Necessity of law.
Yes, sir.
Third option.
C,
Mistake
sir.
of law.
Mistake of law.
Mistake of law. You are not supposed to do it. You have to know the law of the land. That is the mistake of law. It's not a defense. Of course, what is the terminology here I have given? It is the legal principle of ignorantia juris non excusat, or we can say the ignorance of the law excuse not, or the same thing, ignorantia legis neminam excusat, means ignorance of law excuses no one, derived from the dash. Essentially, it means that if someone breaks the law, he or she will still liable even if they had no knowledge of the law being broken. German law, French law, Roman law, Greek law.
German law, sir.
Second option.
B, sir. French law.
Third option.
Sir, C, sir.
Greek
Roman law.
law.
Rome is not built in a day.
Roman law.
All road leads to the Rome, which are not intentional torts. A, false imprisonment. B, accident. C, assault. D, trespass.
B, accident, sir.
Accident, sir.
Accident. It is not intentional unless until that you plan the action to get the money from the compensation from the insurance company. So here the battery making the unwanted offense and harmful contact with another person, assault, attempt to cause the harm or an action for the threatening nature, fraud, the act of lying, the making the misrepresented to another person, trespass, the use of another personal property without their permission, infliction of the emotional distress, intentionally frightening another individual, causing severe emotional or mental distress. Okay, now the seventh one is unmute and read the seventh one. See, always when I say like that, only few people are reading and other people are, we are silent spectators. Please
Which
don't do
one
like
is
that.
not in classification of tort, sir?
Read.
Which one is not a classification of tort?
A, read.
Intentional tort, negligence tort, strict liability tort.
And which one is the right answer?
D, sir.
Second option.
C, sir. C, sir. Negligence tort.
Third option.
B, sir. Intentionally tort.
Unintentional.
No, sir.
tort.
Unintentionally. Yes.
Unintentional tort. I said not in classification of tort.
Yes.
So when you say not, you should keep in your memory. Okay, next eighth question is, which one is not? I say again not, NOT, not absolute liability tort. Product liability, owning a wild animals, extra dangerous activities, owning the deadly weapons. You can keep the deadly weapons with you, provided you have the license.
Owning wild animals, sir. B.
Not, I said not. I gave the answer already. You can keep the deadly weapons unless
Yes,
you
sir.
can keep the rifle. You can keep the double barrel. That's all. Unless until you have the license. Okay, next. Which is not counted as a tort law remedies. This is not counted as a tort law remedies. A, legal remedies. B, restitutional remedies. C, equitable remedies. D, extrajudicial remedies.
Extrajudicial.
Sir, C answer,
It
sir.
is the clear answer is there. Legal remedies are the remedies available in the tort. Restitutional remedies available in the tort. Equitable remedies means injunctions are
Yes,
available
sir.
in the tort. Extrajudicial remedies out of the court settlement. That is the D is the right answer for that regard of the 9th question. Yes, 10th question. Which is not negligent tort. A. Accidents. B. Slip and fall. C. Malnutrition. D. Medical malpractice.
C, sir. Malnutrition.
Malnutrition will not come with a negligent start. It is because of the poverty, because of the various other factors. But other factors is it is not a negligent start. That is the accident and other things are concerned. Okay, next comes the which decided case law is mismatched. I say mismatched. Donoghue versus Stevenson. Rand versus Fletcher. Sir, we know the law. Okay. Ashby versus White. Then Ashraf Ali versus Lal versus Municipal Corporation of Agra. Which is mismatched. Yes.
Sir. Ashby
B,
versus
B,
White.
B, sir. B, B,
It
sir.
is the D. Ashraf Lal versus Municipal Corporation of India. It is nothing but Ashby versus White case law. But here I wrote Demnam Sene injuria. Other case laws are very much known to you. Unless until you know it better, analogy method that you have to adapt it. Otherwise, you cannot do it. You have to analyze it. Okay, this is right, correctly matched. Okay, this is right, correctly matched. Okay, I think there may be a possibility that Ashraf Lal, because your sixth sense always says, it goes and says this is the right answer. That is the reason that I told you not to take any bare acts to the examination hall. Okay, Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Sir, నాకు తెలుసు మీరు అడుగుతారని ఇట్లా. Okay, now come to the point.
C, sir. 59.
Before I could read it, you have given the answer. That is Motor Vehicle Act number is 59 of the 1988. Does the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 apply for the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer no. B, yes.
No.
J&K has a separate dealing with the Motor Vehicle Act. D, state government can adapt the Motor Vehicle Act.
D, D,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
D.
B
Yes,
is the
sir.
right answer.
Actually apply.
ఎందుకంటే సార్ వేరే
Apply for permanent DL. Permanent DL in.
బేరాక్ట్ క్లియర్ గా రాస్తున్నది. ఏమని రాస్తున్నది బేరాక్ట్ లో? క్లియర్ గా ఏమని రాస్తున్నది? It applies to
As
the
listed
entire.
down an eligibility criteria that an applicant is required to comprehend to obtain a
Yes,
DL.
see the short title చూడండి. Number 1, short title extent and commencement. The act may be called as Motor Vehicle Act 1988. 2, that is it extends to the whole of India.
Yes.
Yes, that is the right answer for that regard. Now let us go back to our studies. Yes, next is the point 14. What is the exact or correct way of writing the MV Act? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలండి, మీ ఐక్యూ చూస్తాను ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నదో. MV Act, Motor Vehicle Act 1988, Motor Vehicle Act 1988, Motor Vehicle Act of 1988, Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Which one is the right way of writing?
D,
D,
sir.
sir.
D. D.
D, sir.
It's D, sir.
ఎట్లా
D,
వచ్చిందండి? హౌ కుడ్ యూ
D.
నో ఇట్? డి ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అంటే అర్థం, we planned our mechanism, our mind in such a equation. By looking it, we
Jesus.
can come to the conclusion that this is the right answer, because you have to frame it already in your brain. మోటార్ వెహికల్ యాక్ట్ చిన్న ఏ ఉన్నది కాదది, మోటార్ వెహికల్ యాక్ట్ చిన్న వి ఉన్నది కాదది, మోటార్ వెహికల్ యాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఉన్నది కాదది. ఎందుకు కాదు? ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు చూపెడతా. ఎందుకంటే ఉన్నదా అండి ఆఫ్? ఇక్కడ ఉన్నదా? ఇస్ ఇట్ దేర్ ఆఫ్ హియర్? సే నో.
No, sir. No.
సో కాబట్టి how could you come to the conclusion means your mind setup is in a certain way. Your mind will not accept other thing. It will accept that thing only what the equation you put it in your mind. That is the very important factor. Okay, next 15 more question. Motor Vehicle Act 1988 replaced which act of?
1939, sir.
Everybody
See.
knows
Sir.
1939. Feedback is
sir, see.
replacing the act of 1939. What is the act number?
30. Oh, sir.
I give the option 3, 4, 5, 6.
4, sir.
Premas, tell me again.
4, sir.
B. It is a 4. It is a B. It is a 4 answer. Okay. Motor Vehicle Act 1988 came into force from, we know it, sir. What is that?
1988, sir.
Repeat.
89. 1st May 1989.
1st July 1989.
Or
This
1st
is the
July
right
19.
answer. 17th question, right answer is C. 1st July 1989. Okay, next. 18th, which is the last section in the MV Act 1988? IQ question. 217, class 4, subclass 4, and sorry, subsection 4, 217 capital A, 217 capital B.
217 capital B, sir.
అది లేనే లేదు.
217, sir.
Section
A.
217, sir. A, sir.
It is only A is there. I intentionally kept it. If you happen to see, I will show you that what is the act. This is the act. Now you check me. Check after the. These are the schedules are there, of course. After the schedules, you will find it here. Okay, I'm scrolling because yes, yeah. See, what is the last act number? 217 capital A. Renewal of permits, driving license and registration granted under the Motor Vehicle Act 1939. Repeal and saving clause was there. So intentionally I kept it 217 capital B because to divert you. So that is the intention of mine. 19 MV Act 1988 dash chapters dash sections and dash schedules. Yes, now you tell me A, B, C, D. A 13 to 16 2, B 13 to 17 2, C 14 to 16 2, D 14 to 17 2. Why are you taking this much time?
C, sir.
Sir,
The full
C, sir.
answer.
14. No. It's D, sir. 14 to 17 2.
It is the 14 to 17 2 is the right answer. ఎందుకంటే సార్ స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ లో చూడే వరకు టైం అయింది సార్, అందుకోసమే ఇట్ ఇస్ లేట్ అయింది సార్ నాకు. A person before I reading, if any person gives me the answer, it gives the sense that he knows the answer. Otherwise, you will not, the smartphone will not be allowed in the examination hall. Please don't do such a practice. You use your brain, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. And you develop that sense. Okay, that is a very important factor. Yes, mismatch the following. Section 181, Section 184, Section 1, sorry, Schedule 1, Schedule 2. Mismatch. Here, driving the vehicle
Yes,
in
sir.
contravention with the 5 of the 6. Who
Yes, sir.
owns
Yes,
motor
sir.
vehicle? Yes.
A. During vehicles of the contravention
Driving
section
vehicle in
5 and
contravention
6.
of the 5 and 6 is the wrong. It's the driving vehicle in contravention of
3 and 4.
3 and 4 is the right answer. Okay. Now, sir, నా చేతుల్లో ఉన్న సార్ ఏంటిది బేరాక్ట్, అందుకోసమే చెప్పగలిగిన సార్. Okay, even though I could not see you, I can easily imagine who the answer, who made the answer in a different style. Okay, come to the next question. I caught a motor car or a tractor or a road roller, unladen weight of which does not exceed dash, and a holder of the driving license to drive the class of light motor vehicle and unquote as provided in the section 2, subsection 2, class D of the Motor Vehicle Act. Yes, now you tell me how much the kg should be there, not exceed. Then only then a person who is having the light motor vehicle also drive the road roller, even a tractor, even a motor car. What is the weight?
B, sir. 7,000.
7,500 kg means C is the right answer. If a road roller or a tractor not to exceed the 7,500 kg, at that instance, if you have a light motor vehicle license also, you can drive the tractor. Okay, next question. Which one is false among the issuing license from RTA? Learner's driving license, permanent driving license,
C, sir.
business driving
Business
license, international driving license.
C. Business driving license.
There is no business driving license. It is only
C, sir.
commercial driving license. But there is international license is there. Yeah. And which among them is not MV Act violation? MV Act violation is not there. Which one it is? Overspeeding violation, overloaded in goods violation, overdressed passengers in passenger vehicle, or wrong parking of the vehicle on the highway on the roads.
C, sir.
C.
C,
Sir.
sir.
See, if you overdressed also in passenger, it doesn't make it out. Even you can wear long coat, blood vest coat, again another coat because of the cold. Okay. Now let us come to the 24th question. Which section of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 deals with the grant of driving license? Motor Vehicle Act, I wrote it the wrong way. The vehicle V should be capital letter and A should be capital letter. Okay.
Section 13, sir. Section 13.
Section 9 of the Motor Vehicle
Section 9, sir.
Act.
Yes.
Section 9 of the Motor Vehicle Act deals with the grant of the driving license. Okay. 25th question. Read anyone?
Which section of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 deals with revocation of driving license on grounds of disease or disability?
Read A.
Section A, Section 16 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988. B, Section 14 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988. Section C, Section 13 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988. D, Section 18 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988.
It is a section 16 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 would give the revocation of a driving license on ground of disease or disability. You know, the next question is 26 is section 12 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 deals with dash. A. Licensing and regulation of the schools are established for imparting the instruction in driving among the vehicles. B. Certificate of fitness of transport vehicles. C. Necessity for permits. D. General provisions as to the application for permits.
Sir, A, sir.
It is A. Licensing and regulation of the schools are establishment for the imparting the instructions in driving of motor vehicle. Next 27th. What need to be checked before starting the engine of a vehicle? I repeat. What
Brakes, sir.
need to be checked before the
C.
starting the engine of a vehicle? A.
Starting.
Brakes. B. Headlight. C. Fuel. D. Radiator water level and engine oil level.
Brakes, sir. A.
You cannot check it after you
No,
brake.
no.
You can check it only
Fuel,
after.
Fuel, sir.
No,
No.
not fuel. Sir, radiator water level and engine oil level.
Generally, you say the coolant is the proper way or not. Otherwise, it will burst. It will be explode.
Radiator water level and engine level.
If the coolant is properly there or not, and the engine oil level is properly there or not, if the heat would be there, no, it will be explode. So that is a very important factor. You have to make it out. Okay, after checking the engine and oil level, what do you check? Supplementary question. Yes.
A, sir.
No.
Fuel, sir.
Whether the tires are bald or not.
Hmm.
You have to check that thing. That is a very important factor. Okay, next come to age limit in connection with the driving of the motor vehicle. Which one is false statement? I say false statement regarding the age is concerned. No person under the age of 18 years shall drive a motor vehicle in any public place. B. Subject to the provision of the section 18, no person under the age of the 20 years shall drive a transport vehicle in any public place. C. No learner's license or driving license shall be issued to any person to drive a vehicle of the class to which he has made an application unless he is eligible to drive that class of the vehicle under this section. D. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988 only imposes a condition that license issued to a person above the 50 years of age has to be renewed every 10 years.
C, sir.
D, sir.
Then what is the wrong there?
C, sir.
I said D is right. Then what is the wrong there?
C, wrong, sir.
No, C is
No.
not. D is right.
No. D.
The confuser, sir.
D is the answer, but there is a wrong. Why there is a wrong? Whenever the more than 50 years are there, Dr. Saab, have you renewed your license? I renewed only 5 years, not 10 years. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988 only imposes a condition that license issued to a person above the 50 years of age has to be renewed every 5 years, not 10 years. What about the passport? What about the passport? Sir, that is not
Every 10 years.
10 year. Okay, any person who is her blood has alcohol exceeding dash per 100 ml of blood detected in a test by breathing analyzer is said to be the driving under the influence of or drunken driving under the section of the Motor Vehicle Act. Now you tell me the how much mg and what is the section you will be booked under the drunken driving. సార్ నేను నడపను నేను వెనక కూర్చుంటా.
30 mg.
30
Section గుర్తురాట్లేదు.
It is 30 mg and section 185 is the right answer. That means D is the right answer. It's a 30 mg, 30 mg per 100 ml of a blood. Then under section 185 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 say the drunken driving that you will be booked. Okay. Dasara, I don't know how many booked. Okay, come to the next 30. The penalty for the drunk driving under the Motor Vehicle Act Amendment Bill 2016 has been increased from dash to rupees dash. Now you fill up the
Sir,
two
please, sir.
blanks.
2000 and 10,000.
Repeat.
It's a C, sir. 2000 and 10,000.
You are right. It is
Yes.
2,000 to 10,000. It is increased in the amendment. Okay. Overtaking when approaching a bend. Overtaking when approaching a bend. A is permissible. B not permissible. C is permissible with care. D none of the above.
C not permissible, sir.
Not permissible. Not at all. Primas Aita that you have given the right answer. Not permissible at all. Okay, 32. Can a person transfer his driving license to another person? A. He can with the permission of the licensing authority. B. He cannot transfer under any circumstances. C. He can transfer without any permission. D. Depends upon the circumstance of the case.
Yes, sir.
B, sir.
Is
B.
the
He
right
cannot
answer.
transfer.
B, sir. B.
You can transfer the papers of your vehicle to
Depends.
somebody else, but you cannot transfer your license, non-transferable. When you marry, you have to go for the honeymoon with your wife. You are not supposed to send the proxy. Are you following me? Okay. What does omnibus meant under the Motor Vehicle Act? Omnibus or omnibus? How do you pronounce?
Omnibus, sir.
Omnibus.
Okay. A vehicle which can carry more than 5 people, including the driver. B. A vehicle which can carry 7 people, excluding the driver. C. A vehicle which can carry the 6 people, including the driver. D. A vehicle which can carry 6 people, excluding the driver.
Sir, D, sir.
It's a D is the right answer. A vehicle which can carry the 6 people, excluding the driver, means total 7 can go. Sir, ఆటోల మీద ఏం రాసి ఉంటుంది సార్? సైడ్కి ఏం రాసి ఉంటుంది? What will be written? Can you tell me?
4 members only.
Including the driver.
3 null.
Sorry, sir.
34. Use of a barn prohibited. Sorry, barn not horn. H-O-R-N horn.
Sir,
Use
B,
of
sir.
horn.
Near hospital.
Yes, it is. The answer is as a moral responsibility, you can stop at the mosque, church, and temple. But the law says near hospital and court of law, you are not supposed to. Horn is prohibited over there. But when the bands are there, yes, they will stop at the mosque, church, and temple, even the hospitals, in the court, near the police station also. Otherwise, their policemen will ask, do you have the permission to use this procession or not? Yes, 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 sir. Yes, Dr. Sir, do you want to contribute anything?
All of the above is right, sir.
No, 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 no.
Only mass
Near a hospital and court of law is right. But as a respect to the religion, the banned people, especially procession is going on, at that instance, they will give the respect to all. Okay, 35. I say horn, I'm not say born. The band means like, you know, the military band and so on, other bands are concerned. Okay, 35. Overspeeding. A, it is an offense leading to suspension or cancellation of driving license. B, is an offense leading to the punishment by fine only. C, is not an offense. D, can be sometimes done.
Sir, fine, sir.
B, sir.
B,
B, sir, B.
B.
Punishment to by fine only.
No,
Yes, sir.
it is A.
Overspeeding.
It is an offense leading to suspension or the cancellation of your driving license if you go to the overspeed. Okay, next is regarding e-car and e-rickshaw. Which statement is not correct? I say not correct. Battery powered vehicle. B, power not exceeding the 4,000 watts. C, having 3 wheels. D, none.
Sir, C, sir. Having 3 wheels.
Who
C.
said?
No.
Even a rickshaw also having the 4. Don't say the
No, no,
rickshaw
no.
is only the
None,
3.
sir. D, none.
D, sir,
D
D.
is none. D is the right
D,
answer.
none.
None. D is the right answer for that one. Like even a wheelbarrow is having only one wheel because other thing at your hands only. But when you see the a banana man is pulling the car, pulling the a type of the loading cart, even that is having the 4 wheels. Okay, let us come to the point 37. That is the Consumer Protection Act 1986 and a comparison of the 2019. Still, would you have in your hand 16
C,
minutes
sir.
we can easily
68.
cover. Yes. The Consumer
68,
Protection
sir.
Act is the act number of the 68. C, 68 of the 1986. That is the answer. Okay, next. Yes, yes, sir. You're speaking, sir. Okay. Next, the Consumer Protection Act 1986 is enacted in dash. I give
23rd October 1986.
it is the 24th October 1986. I put the A, B, C, D. I failed to put it over there. Okay. The word consumer is defined under section dash of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. In which section it is defined as a consumer?
21D, sir.
It is the 2-1D where it is defined. It is a consumer. Yes, that is the right answer for that one. The 40th question. Consumer Protection Act is written as acronym. As acronym, how do you it can be written? CPA, CP space Act, COPA, and COPRA.
Copra, sir.
D, sir, Copra.
Right.
Copra.
COPRA is the right acronym for that one. Okay, appreciate. Then the 41, under the light of consumer protection, which wrong or false? Can anybody be unmute and read? Can anybody will unmute and read A, B, C, D in that 41?
Under the light of consumer protection, which is wrong or false? A, any person who obtains the goods for resale or commercial purposes is not a consumer. B, a person who avails of such services for any commercial purpose is a consumer. C, a consumer is a person that buys goods and services. D, person who purchases a new television.
D, sir, answer D. Answer D.
No, a person who purchases a new television for the personal purpose, then he is a consumer.
B, sir. A person who avails of services any commercial is a consumer.
The consumer is
A person who avails services for any commercial purpose is consumer. That is a wrong statement.
Oh, which is wrong, right, sir? No, correct sentence.
Other things are right.
All of the 3 are right.
Yes, that's why you have to check whether did I say wrong, did I say right, did I say false. You have to
Yes,
read
yes.
it, then say, that means 3 is very much relevant. Okay, this means 3 is not relevant, only 1 is relevant. Okay, now the match the following titles of the case part in part 1 held or decisions are given in part 2. సార్ మాకు తెలియదు సార్ కొట్టండి ఏం లేదు ఇక చిత్తుబొత్తు చేయండి హెడ్ అండ్ టైల్ వేయండి 6 ఉపయోగించండి కొట్టేసేయండి షూట్ చేయండి ఓకే ఓం ప్రకాష్ వర్సెస్ రిలయన్స్ జనరల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ నేషనల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ లిమిటెడ్ వర్సెస్ హిందుస్థాన్ సేఫ్టీ గ్లాస్ వర్క్స్ లిమిటెడ్ అండ్ అదర్స్ ప్రతిష్టాన్ అండ్ అదర్స్ వర్సెస్ మేనేజర్ అండ్ కెనరా బ్యాంక్ and others, and therefore the M. Kocher Ispita Steel Kisla, then Dr. Saab, you mute it when you are speaking. Okay, I muted it so that the disturbance will not be there. Okay. A. Trust cannot lodge a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act. A. B. National Commission say no cure, no success is not a medical negligence. C. Limitation provisions in the Consumer Protection Act cannot be strictly construed to disadvantage of consumers. The insurance company cannot reject the claims on technical grounds. It's luck you can make it out. Use your sixth sense. Answer is 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B, 1D, 2A, 3C, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, 1A, 2C, 3D, 4B. Just use your
1D,
sixth
2C,
sense.
3D, 4B, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
It
C,
is
sir.
A is
C.
the right answer. 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. A is the right answer. Om Prakash versus Reliance General Insurance, it says, insurance company cannot reject the claim on technical grounds. And the National Insurance Company Limited versus Hindustan Safety Glass Works Limited and others, limitation provisions in Consumer Protection Act cannot be strictly construed to the advantage of the consumer. Next, the Pratishan and others versus manager Canara Bank and others, trust cannot lodge a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act. Dr. M. Kocher versus Ispita Steel. When you say Dr. M. Kocher, at least use your sixth sense. Doctor has come. So National Commission say no cure, no success is not a medical negligence. So that is the deductive method that you have to adapt it and come to the conclusion. Next comes to the 43. Causes of consumer exploitation. A. Right to information. B. Low literacy. C. High literacy. D. Proper supply of information.
B, sir. Low literacy.
It is a low
D, sir.
literacy because of the consumer exploitation is there, and that is the way that we can make it out. Okay, next fourth question is the multiple choice is National Consumer Day is celebrated in India is
24 December, sir.
24th December every year that we will celebrate the National Consumer Day in India. Pick out the odd man out. Pick out the odd one out.
B, sir, CBI.
Why others are? Tell me.
Sir, remaining are standard marks, sir. Standard denotes the standard. It is the quality of the product, sir. These remaining are denotes the quality of the products.
Hallmark for what?
Standard standard of the gold, sir. Hallmark is gold for gold, sir.
Zoya Lucas.
Yes, sir.
Here I have given the Bureau of Indian Standard. Earlier it was known as the Indian Standard Institute. Would give the specification for everything for the standard, how it should be maintained. Okay, CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. Agmark is an agriculture mark, an agriculture product. That is the Agmark was there, and it is a mark in a certification of the mark to assure the quality of the agriculture products in India. Agmark acts as a third-party guarantee of the agriculture products that are produced and consumed in India. Now I have shown you this thing. Now you tell me which mark belongs to which. సార్ మాకు తెలుసు హాల్మార్క్ అక్కడ కనబడితేనే ఉన్నది దట్ ఇస్ ఫర్ ద గోల్డ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్?
Hallmark, sir.
సార్
అయ్యా
BIS
నువ్వు
సార్
రైట్కి వెళ్ళి కాదు నాయన, మనం దుబాయ్లో లేవు నాయన, మనం యుఏఈలో లేవు నాయన, మనం ఇండియాలో ఉన్నావు నాయన. లెఫ్ట్ నుండి చదువు నాయన. యు హావ్ టు
బోర్డ్
రీడ్
ఆఫ్
ఫ్రమ్ ద లెఫ్ట్.
బోర్డ్
Agro,
ఆఫ్
sir.
స్టాండర్డ్ సార్ BIS.
That is
BIS and
BIS. Next is,
Agmark sir.
it is clearly written over there in the center. Agmark is there, and why do you take that much time? And hallmark for Joel Lucas to make. What is the next?
CBS, sir.
No. Hallmark కాకుండా ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఉంటది. It is BSK BKS. Gold quality.
24 carat, 22 carat sir.
That is the carat seed there. That is to show the purity of the gold. See, one is you say hallmark. That is one of the same we can.
That is also BS sir. BIS.
BAS or BSK.
BIS sir.
BIS.
Another also there.
Bharat Standard.
No. Another also there. KD.
KDS sir. KDM.
ADM.
And
KDM.
yes, it is the Central Bureau of Investigation in India. And in the USA, what is that?
USA is CBI.
National Investigation sir. NIA sir.
Then what about
NIA is
Russia?
India.
What about Russia, KGB? So today we have saved the time because there is no long questions are there which I prepared this time. We prepared the short questions, that's why we can made it out. But yesterday there are many which I prepared the long questions, and it will take a little bit time. Then you may say, sir, still would you have some 6 minutes? No, sir. Then why don't you cover at least what we left yesterday, sir? Yes, why I should not use that chance to see what in the last only 3 or 4 I have not covered. Otherwise we have covered the last one. But I will show you that what I have not covered yesterday, so that you should not feel that, sir, we missed that thing. Yes, that I made, which are also important factor here. Yes, in a negotiable instrument, we missed this part. Okay, here I give the match the following chapter part 1 and title part 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6. Here say it comes under the transfer property law, lease, exchange, sale, mortgage. And now you tell me, which chapter deals with what? 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, or 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A? The answer is 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. Chapter 3, sales. Chapter 4, mortgage. Chapter 5, lease. Chapter 6, exchange. Chapter 7, gift. Now let us come to the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Act number of dash 1881. Act number 26. D is the right answer. Okay. Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 consists of section dash. How many parts dash? How many chapters?
Sir, B, sir, 147 to Roman number.
147, parts 0, and chapters are 17 Roman. Section dash, CRPC not applicable to section dash in NI Act cases. Supreme Court suggested amendment to the NI Act empowering the magistrate to recall summons, and which section and which will not applicable over there. 257, 137, 257, 138, 258, 137, 258, 138.
Sir, B answer.
Because when
D,
the
sir.
checks are bounced over there, 138, but 258
D, sir,
and
D.
130. D, last one is the right answer. 258 CRPC, and the bounced check is 138. Okay, next is, which is not correct as per the 138 of a negotiable instrument. I think we covered this one. Yes, because 40, 41 we covered. Yes, we covered this one. Because I know the last one that we made it out. And still we do have 5 minutes in our hand. But we can see, can we cover this one? You tell me where I make it out. Write a statement false among the 4. The transfer of property is applicable primarily on transfer of movable property which one living being and interwoves to another. Yes, I think this we covered.
Yes,
Or
sir.
TP Act is not applicable on property transfer by individuals as well as by companies. And Transfer of Property Act is, no, we have not covered this one. Transfer of Property Act is applicable to applicable to acts of the parties, not on the transfer of applicable by law. And transfer of property does not cover the inheritance, will, forfeiture, insolvency, or sale through the execution of a decree.
D, sir.
Fourth, sir. Fourth.
Sir, C, sir. C.
The answer is C. Is it C? Transfer of Property
Transfer
Act
of
is not
property, sir.
applicable to the property transferred by individuals. No, it is applicable. The Property Act is applicable to acts of the parties and not on the transfer applicable by law. No, the act is not applicable on property transferred by individuals as well as by companies. So that is the right answer. That is the C is the not,
B.
which is a false one. Other are applicable. Okay. 27. The term transfer include transfer through all but not one. Sale and mortgage, pledge and pawn. What is the next? Lease and
sir.
actionable claim, gift or exchange.
B, sir.
B, sir.
It is
Pledge
a
and
B.
pawn.
There is
Pledge
no
and pawn.
pledge and
Pledge and pawn.
pawn. There is no pledge and pawn in the Transfer of Property Act. It is a sale and mortgage is there. It is the lease and actionable claim is there. Gift is there. Exchange is there. But no will is there. No even the execution of decree is there. No inheritance is there. Okay, now the dash of the act lays down the rules which is people who are legally eligible to transfer their property. In which section it is given? They are legally eligible to transfer the property.
Section 6, sir. A, sir.
Sir. C.
Section 7.
C, sir.
Section 6.
No, section 7 of the act, section 6, which cannot be transferred. Like a special section is there. So 7, the competency, that is the act lays down the vis-a-vis people who are legally eligible to the transfer of their property. And which example of wrong or false? One, Ram leases his plot to Mohan and puts a clause in the lease. I think we read this one. Is it?
Sir,
Yeah, a farmer can
Section
estate has
6 in the
defaulted.
transfer.
Yes, we made it because I say not I removed and I say defaulted I did it. So the D is the wrong and which is very much close to it because a farmer of an estate that has not defaulted in paying the revenue cannot assign his interest in the holding. So I put the not. Actually, it is a defaulted only is the come.
They
The farmer
completed
of
it.
an estate that has defaulted in paying the revenue cannot assign his interest in the holding. Yes, when you are attaching the property, you should not supposed to attach the property where your livelihood would be there. Suppose you are a goldsmith, your hammer, your chisel, your anvil, and that thing cannot be attached. Because if it is attached, how could you have your livelihood? So certain things cannot be attached over there. So that thing, so what I am not finished over there, I try to finish this time. And the next class is, okay, annotation is needed. Okay.
Of
So now
taxation,
the,
sir.
yes, decline I said because I am showing over there. See, it takes a lot of time to me again to check it. That's why I don't make it out. I decline always because I show with the cursor. Application annotation request, every time it is showing, I say approve. When I say approve, no, every time I have to change it when I go for that one. So that's why I made the decline. Every time I have to change it. See, otherwise it will not go. See, that is the reason. Anyway, that time is going to up now. See, it is not even listening my command also because it is not coming down. So I don't know where should to go. Again, I have to go there. I cannot have to click here. Where do you have to go? Is it annotation? You have to go there again. Bhavali, tell me, how should I go? Because this thing, that's why I don't do the annotation. See, somewhere I have